Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing 15 amazing foods that can enhance your brain power and enhance your memory. Numerous studies have discovered beneficial connections between specific nutrients and improved memory, focus, processing speed, and even the generation of new brain cells. By incorporating more of these brain-boosting foods into your diet, you may notice improvements in concentration, mental clarity, memory recall, and overall brain performance. However, before we begin, I'd like to offer a quick disclaimer: food is not a magical solution for cognitive decline or memory issues. Your genetics, sleep patterns, exercise regimen, stress levels, and overall health habits all contribute significantly to your brain health and function. Additionally, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to food or diet that will suit everyone's unique brain chemistry and requirements. Certain foods may work better for you than others. Therefore, I recommend consulting with your physician before making any significant dietary changes. This content is intended for educational and informational purposes only. Now, let's get started and explore 15 top foods to boost your gray matter. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty cold-water fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, anchovies, and herring are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These fatty acids play crucial roles in the structure and function of brain cell membranes. DHA, in particular, helps regulate neurotransmitters in the brain and enhances the growth and development of neurons. Studies have shown that omega-3s are associated with improved memory, focus, processing speed, and even mood enhancement. Aim to include at least 2 servings of 3 to 4 ounces of fatty fish per week to experience the cognitive benefits. However, if you are pregnant, it's advisable to limit your intake due to the potential negative impact of excessive mercury exposure from seafood on fetal brain development. 2. Berries. Berries stand out as nutritional powerhouses for brain health. They contain unique antioxidants called flavonoids, which research suggests can enhance communication between brain cells, slow down brain aging, improve short-term memory, and reduce inflammation. Incorporate a variety of berries such as strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries into your diet. Enjoy them fresh, add them to yogurt or oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or include them in baked goods. Consuming just half a cup 2 to 3 times per week can have a positive impact. However, if you have a bleeding disorder, it's advisable to consume berries in moderation, as some of their antioxidants may affect blood clotting. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds pack a potent punch when it comes to brain health. They offer plant-based protein, fiber, vitamin E, and essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, and selenium. Moreover, many nuts and seeds contain specific antioxidants that promote the growth of new brain cells and enhance communication between them. Excellent options include walnuts, almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, and ground flax seed. Aim to consume an ounce or a small handful about 4 to 5 times a week. However, if you're mindful of your calorie or fat intake, be cautious with portion sizes of nuts due to their high energy content. Additionally, if you have a nut allergy, it's advisable to avoid nuts altogether. 4. Green tea. Savoring green tea can offer an instant enhancement for the brain, courtesy of 2 compounds it contains, caffeine and L-theanine. Caffeine provides a subtle, invigorating lift, while L-theanine, an amino acid, mitigates some of the jitteriness caused by caffeine. Studies also indicate that L-theanine might heighten alpha brain waves associated with relaxation, creativity, and better memory. Optimal results are typically achieved by consuming 2 to 3 cups of unsweetened green tea daily. However, if you're sensitive to stimulants or struggle with sleep, it's advisable to avoid excessive consumption. 5. Beans and legumes. Beans and lentils serve as superb plant-based fuel for the brain due to their fiber, complex carbohydrates, and iron content. Iron plays a crucial role in transporting oxygen to the brain, vital for energy generation, focus, and memory recall. Additionally, beans offer an ideal combination of glucose and protein to stabilize energy levels. Incorporating a diverse range of legumes such as chickpeas, black beans, lentils, peas, and edamame into your diet can provide a nutritional lift. However, if you experience digestive issues like IBS, it's advisable to limit portions to half a cup daily. 6. Whole grains. Beans and whole grains such as oats, quinoa, brown rice, whole grain bread, and barley provide complex carbohydrates, ensuring a gradual and sustained supply of glucose to the brain. Consuming foods that prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar can help prevent sudden drops in energy and focus. Additionally, whole grains are rich in essential nutrients like B vitamins, iron, zinc, and magnesium, which promote optimal brain function. Strive to make at least half of your grain servings whole grain. However, if weight management is a concern, consider limiting daily portions to 1 to 2 servings. 7. Avocados. Avocados are packed with a potent antioxidant called glutathione, which aids in maintaining memory, focus, and overall brain health as we age. They are also rich in healthy fats that are beneficial for brain function, along with essential nutrients like vitamin K, folate, vitamin C, and potassium. Studies indicate that incorporating avocados into your diet can enhance blood flow to the brain. You can enjoy approximately a quarter to half of an avocado daily by adding it to guacamole, salads, smoothies, or using it as a spread. 8. Dark chocolate. The flavonoids found in dark chocolate with high cacao content offer antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can potentially enhance brain function. These compounds promote blood flow and neuron signaling in brain regions associated with attention, memory, and reaction time. Some studies even suggest that dark chocolate may improve visual and verbal learning abilities. Opt for chocolate containing at least 70% cocoa content and moderate your consumption to 1 or 2 squares per day. However, individuals with caffeine sensitivity or reflux issues should steer clear of chocolate. Additionally, keep in mind that chocolate is calorie and fat dense. 9. Broccoli and leafy greens. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, kale, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and others are rich in sulforaphane. Research indicates that sulforaphane offers neuroprotective advantages and may promote improved memory retention, particularly as individuals age. Additionally, these vegetables are a good source of vitamin K, which plays a role in safeguarding against cognitive decline. Incorporate 1 to 2 cups of cooked or 2 cups of raw greens into your daily diet. However, individuals with an underactive thyroid should be mindful of portion sizes. 10. Tomatoes. The bright red hue of tomatoes is attributed to a potent antioxidant known as lycopene. Research suggests that lycopene contributes to reducing inflammation in the brain and could potentially lower the risk of dementia. Cooked tomatoes have higher bioavailable lycopene content compared to raw ones, so consider incorporating them into your diet through methods like roasting, sautéing in olive oil, blending into sauces, or adding to soups and stews. However, individuals with digestive issues such as acid reflux should be cautious about portion sizes. 11. Turmeric. Turmeric, the golden spice, harbors curcumin, a compound known for enhancing antioxidant activity in the brain, promoting the growth of new brain cells, and enhancing memory and attention span. To maximize absorption, combine turmeric with black pepper. Incorporate turmeric into various dishes such as veggies, soups, curries, rice dishes, eggs, and more. However, if you have a bleeding disorder or take blood thinners, it's advisable to limit your daily intake to 1 teaspoon as curcumin may heighten the risk of bleeding. 12. Eggs. Eggs provide a wealth of nutrients essential for brain health, including vitamin B12 for energy, choline for memory and neurotransmitter function, and protein for energy balance. Incorporating up to 3 whole eggs per week into your diet, alongside plenty of vegetables and fruits for antioxidants, can create a brain-boosting breakfast. However, if you have a weakened immune system, it's advisable to limit raw egg consumption. Additionally, consider reducing egg yolk intake to manage cholesterol levels if necessary. 13. Soy foods. Studies suggest that soy-based foods such as tofu, edamame, tempeh, and miso contain isoflavones, compounds that could enhance cognitive function, verbal memory, and focus, particularly among middle-aged and older individuals. Soy is also rich in vitamin K, which supports brain health as we age. Consuming 1 to 2 servings of soy per day can be beneficial, but it's advisable to avoid it if you have hormone-sensitive breast cancer or thyroid concerns. 14. Olive oil. Research indicates that the anti-inflammatory antioxidants present in premium extra virgin olive oil could enhance memory and lower the likelihood of cognitive decline and dementia. Use olive oil to dress salads and vegetables, sauté or roast vegetables, or include it in dressings and marinades. However, it's advisable to consume it in moderation, around 2 tablespoons per day, to manage calorie intake. Occasionally, consider using other oils rich in omega-3 fatty acids for variety. 15. Yogurt. Due to its probiotic content, yogurt promotes healthy gut function, which studies indicate can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress affecting the brain. Opt for unsweetened, low-sugar yogurts containing live active cultures, with Greek yogurt offering additional protein. Consume approximately 1 to 2 servings daily to benefit from probiotics without consuming excess calories, sugar, or fat. Avoid yogurt if you have dairy sensitivities or allergies. These are just 15 of the top brain foods, supported by scientific evidence for their brain-boosting potential. While maintaining a healthy diet is crucial, remember that other lifestyle habits such as regular exercise, quality sleep, stress management, and social connections also contribute to brain health. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.